What is going on? How you doing, guys? TK coming back at you, Master Wealth Builders Online. And today I just wanted to talk more about infinity banking. A lot of times when I hear people reference infinity banking, they just breeze right over it. You know, a lot of professionals don't really get into detail. But I notice people kind of discount what I say as if I'm not qualified to talk about it. So what I want you to do is go to Amazon, get this book, and then what I want you to do is go to Google and type in the name that you see, type in the author's name, and then tell me what it says. Or just go to Forbes and type in the author's name and tell me what Forbes says about the author. Because again, people discount what you have to say and they act as if you don't have anything important to offer. And my journey has just been simple. I tried to find some information. I did some homework, and doing some homework led me to being able to set up an infinity bank for myself. And the concept is just front loading a permanent life insurance policy to the point where your face value matches your cash value. And once that happens, you can borrow against that policy as a loan or as a withdrawal, and it's tax free. So that's how you become your own bank. That's how you borrow from yourself. And, you can strengthen your family structure and your finances by doing it. So if you look at my previous pages, you'll see I've always talked about different things that allow you to become a master wealth builder. I've talked about gold, talked about insurance, talked about real estate, I've talked about tax advantages. And the concept is just really to try to pass on some information that certain people overlook. A lot of people have their focus in different directions. And, we all separate ourselves based on where our attention goes. So lately I've been trying to help other people set up a family trust and then set up infinity banking within their family trust. That's pretty straightforward. That's pretty simple. But it takes, a little bit of time. And I reached out to a few people in my warm market and didn't get a positive response. And a lot of people say they're just not interested in a trust. They're not interested in Infinity Bank. And I don't really understand that, because it's not like I'm asking you about lotions and potions. I'm asking you about something that can help you long-term, something that builds generational wealth. And for people to say that they're not interested in that, it just really blows my mind. But if I can get you to validate some information, that would be perfect. So don't take my word for it. Get this book. If you notice, the people you keep in your circle is the altitude and destination that you can eventually achieve. So I'm blessed that I had the opportunity to meet the author of this book. And I'm really just trying to push this information. So feel free to contact me if that's what you want to do. Feel free to send people my way if that's what you want to do. And let's get this change implemented in the lives of people who want change.